This method can help answer key questions in developmental psychology and the cognitive sciences, such as what is the visual environment of infants, and how does what they see influence their behavior?
The main advantage of this technique is that it allows researchers to capture the view of an infant from their own perspective. This view is very different than that of an adult.
This method can also be applied to adults and other non-human model organisms. Researchers have attached cameras to the heads or backs of birds, bats, and other species in the wild.
One challenge with this protocol is successfully placing the head camera. Children can be fussy and sensitive to anything touching their head, so experimenter confidence is critical.
Demonstrating this procedure will be graduate students Sara Schroer and Catalina Suarez Rivera.
To begin, ask the parent and the second experimenter to ensure that the child remains calm during the placement process, and to distract the child as needed. Then ask the parent to desensitize the infant to hand actions near their head by slightly touching the infant's hair several times. After this, lightly touch the infant's hair and head. Provide the parent with distracting toys and instruct the parent and the second experimenter to gently push the infant's hand toward the toy. While the infant is distracted, place the head-mounted camera on the infant's head. Next, adjust the camera so that when the infant holds an object in front of his face, the object is centered in the camera field of view. After this, leave the room and begin the recording. In the event that the camera is moved out of place or removed, re-enter the room to correct the camera.